Hello everyone, this is Madhav. As you can see, this is apparently not the next episode of Ask Madhav, but our first ever episode of Unbox with Madhav. Anyways, just kidding. Well, I am here today to do something new and different. Well, just like you all, I am also a big fan of gadgets, and I do follow all the unboxing and reviews every day. So I thought of trying this once on my own, and there's only one product in Realme family that hasn't been unboxed yet. Our newest entry-level champion, Realme C2. Speaking of Realme C2, it is the 8th product in the Realme family we have launched since our last year's debut. With these 8 products, we have achieved great milestones, and this would have not been possible without your support. Thank you guys. Realme is now the #1 smartphone brand in the 2 consecutive quarters, and I'm very happy that we have started our offline journey in the last quarter, which means more and more users can have a touch and feel of all the Realme products. Within a year, we have become the #2 smartphone brand in online. Still a long way to go for #1, but I believe anything is possible. By the way, Realme 3 is the #1 selling model online according to Counterpoint. So now, let's have a look into what Realme C2 is offering for you at the price point of 5,999. So guys, we have a brand new packaging of Realme C2. I hope you like it. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is new Realme C2. Standard charger, USB cable, and a beautiful design phone. It comes in 2 beautiful colors, diamond blue and diamond black. I guarantee this is the best looking entry level phone I have experienced so far. It features 6.1-inch dewdrop screen, again the first in its segment, and it comes with a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Last but not the least, on the back it comes with a diamond cut design, specifically finished first time again in this segment. So let's get started with my personal favorite color, which is blue color. Diamond blue. This comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery which assures you a day usage without charging. Also comes with Helios P22 octa-core processor based on 2 GHz clock speed with a 12 nanometer based chipset, which is the most power efficient in this particular segment. Again, the first time in this price segment. Also, Realme C2 supports an expandable 256 GB storage with triple card SIM slot. So let's talk about camera. Now talking about the selfie camera, it comes with a 5 megapixel selfie shooter and a customized AI dual rear camera, which is apt for more definite and natural photos with a chroma boost that can improve the HDR range and colors. Also, to let you know guys, Realme C2 will also be the first in this price to support 80 FPS at 480p slow motion video recording. With all these features, the Realme C2 2GB RAM plus 16GB ROM is priced at only rupees 5,999, and the guys who really want higher RAM and ROM, so for them we have 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM, which is priced only at rupees 7,999. So guys, in short, this is the best smartphone in terms of looks and performance at 5,999 rupees. The phone goes on sale for the first time on May 15, 2019 on Flipkart as well as realme.com from 12 noon onwards. Also, we have Realme C2 available at our pop-up store in Pacific Mall, New Delhi on 18 May 5 PM. And for 100 lucky users, we will also give away Realme C2 for only rupees 2,000 on exchanging their old feature phones. Isn't it amazing guys? I hope you liked our new entry level offering. And guys, I have something more for you. Retweet, reshare this video showing how much you love Realme C2 using the hashtag #DeshKaRealChoice and get a chance to win 20 Realme C2. And also guys, stay tuned to our social media handles and our official website for more giveaways. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye.